Hi, my name is Megan Hewitt and we live in Aubrey, Texas. We just got our cabinets painted by Spray Tex Painting. Ever since we started building this house, we were working with the builder and you can only have certain finishes and colors on your cabinets. And it was always my dream to have something other than white. I trusted Spray Tex with this paint job because they made the process really smooth and easy from the get-go. They were never pushy in when we should start or even selling me the paint job in itself. They made the whole process kind of fun and exciting, and so when the day came for them to come in, I was really excited to just see the work that they were gonna do. Communication with Spray Tex is above all. It was awesome from the get-go. First, communication from coming to our house to look at the job and give us an estimate, and then after that, never pressuring me to move faster or quicker or to pick a paint color. They were super patient with me and my indecisiveness of colors, and they just worked really well with our schedule. And at the time I was about 8 months pregnant, so we were kind of on a time crunch, and they worked us in, and the overall process and communication was top-notch. When I saw the final result, I was super excited. It had always been my dream since we moved into this house 3 years ago to paint the white cabinets a beige. My husband would say it's not a big difference, but to me, it makes the house feel warmer and more inviting, and just overall, the aesthetics feel calmer and not so builder grade. Spray Tex is fun. They're a fun company to work with. They overall communicate extremely well, which is very important to me. And they made the process super fun, seamless, and the crew was awesome. Justin was super awesome in communicating as well. I would say if you're big on communication and you want a fantastic job, you hire Spray Tex.